Racing at Le Mans is an experience that's unique unto itself. Not only do we have the best cars in the world, we've got the best drivers in the world, the best teams in the world. It's impossible to describe.
In 1982, an unexpected opportunity brought Porsche, BF Goodrich, and Brumos Racing together at Le Mans. Porsche had something to prove, BF Goodrich had something to prove, and Brumos, still finding its way after Peter Gregg, had a name to keep on the world stage. No one set out to create a legend, but together, they created a story that could not be forgotten.
The marketing department's directive was simple: just run the race on street tires. But before the race began, there were damages to contend with in practice, a rebuilt engine in the rain, and even a broken throttle cable during the race. Yet through it all, the Brumos GTR kept going.
44 years later, the Brumos GTR remains Brumos Racing's only appearance at the Le Mans 24-hour.
The Busby Bundy number 87 returned home an IMSA GTO class winner, taking the checkered flag on a single set of street tires.
The Le Mans 24-hour Brumos GTR class winner is ready for its next chapter.